Hiya, welcome to my channel. Many thanks for stopping by. Welcome to all my new subscribers as well. Thank you so much for subscribing and staying with me, and also thank you to my returning subscribers. I'm filling in my sticker book today with the dolls. Well, I'm sharing it today with you, but last night I used up these two packets that I had. These two packets of dolls. And I have so I've emptied out this little bag of the dolls, and I'm sure I have got another packet somewhere. I'm going to have a look right this minute in my dolls box. Let's have a look. There we go. Thought I had some more. Yeah, I knew I had some more somewhere. I'm going to fill this book with them. And I've also got these ones as well. So I'll get those done and I'll see you back in a minute. But before that, I just wanted to show you, this is my beetroot and apple, and a little tiny piece of ginger. So I'm having that for the day. I've got a little piece of salmon left in the fridge and I don't want it to go off. So I'm going to warm that up with some tomatoes. That's all I'm having. I'm not having any pasta. I'm not having any rice because it's a lot. You know, I really need to lose some weight around my waist. And also, I've been struggling to get space for Aquafit. So Archie and I walked around to the sports centre today to find out why is it. They say to book 7 days in advance, but when I go to book it 7 days in advance, it's telling me that it's full, and I just thought, well, how can that be? It's just not adding up. She couldn't even help me, but she managed to book me in this evening at 7 o'clock for an Aquafit session. I'm really happy about that. So tomorrow now, I have to set my alarm for 10 to 6 in the morning and try and book a place in for the 12th, for next week Friday. So that's what I have to do, have to keep on. So please pray for me that, you know, I get some space for Aquafit, because I really need it. And I used to go before the pandemic, but unfortunately, once that was all over and done with, I didn't actually go back, and I should have kept it up. But now it's time to go back and get it done. And it was a lovely brisk walk as well. That's why I love to walk with Archie, because he is like, he's always in a hurry. He's taking me somewhere. So I get my cardio in, you know, I get the workout. Anyway, I'm going to sort out all the dolls while I drink some of my beetroot, and I will come back. Oh, before I go, just in case you are interested, this bottle is from IKEA. I've got 6 of them, and they're really good. Really good. They're is it 500 mils? I think it's 500 mils. Yes, or just over 500 mils. So that's really good. Anyway, catch you back soon. Right, all of them are done now. All the packets of the girlies are done. Let me see if there's any more. Got some here, some more here. These are lovely. Oh goodness. There we go. These are so pretty. Okay, so I'll do those. And also the words. I really want to do the words. These are what I've put in so far. This was just on a piece of sticker paper like this, so I took them all off and put them and I will have a look around and see if I mean, for my self-care, I've got quite a few dolls. I had to put some double-sided sticky tape on these because they're kind of warped, as you can see. They're awkward. But I'm just wondering whether I'm to put them in here or just leave them like this. This is, I'll have to see. But this one now, great. All of the stickers that was in this packet is all in the book now. You can see exactly what I've got. Love that. I'm gonna have a look and see if there's any more like these, but not with the same sayings, of course, with different wordings. I'll check and see what Temu has got, but I really like that. And I just wanted to quickly show you, yesterday when I did the haul, I showed you my little staple gun, and that's for my journal pouch. Got everything in there except for a staple gun, a stapler. So I have this stapler that I got, but I didn't know how to do it right, because I kept on thinking, okay, right, put that up there, lift that up, put that there, and then, but it wasn't happening. So what you have to do, this lever inside, you have to pull it down. You pull it down and it clips, and you put that together, and there we go. I will just staple something for you. There we go. Isn't that cool? And then you just lift it up and it closed right back. This is exciting. I love that. So there we have it. Hope that was helpful, just in case you want to get yourself one. That is that. If you did like this video, I would really appreciate a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified when I upload new videos. Take care of your good selves and see you back soon. Bye for now.